Okay guys, so we're here at Whistling Bird. Here's our sign, welcome home. That's exactly what the Whistling Bird feels like. It feels like you're coming home. So everyone here is like family. Once you've been here, they remember you. So you walk in, it's a gated entrance. You need a code to get in. So you walk into these lovely cottages. This lovely garden here on the beach. It's so shady, it's so cool. So you have all this artwork coming down through here. Look at all these beautiful flowers. The cottages. I love the colors. And the shade coming down through here, you don't even feel like you're walking toward the beach. So this tells you where the rooms are, where things. West Palm Beach, 593 miles. Mayfield Falls, the beach and bar, 400 feet. So then we come down. Mango? There's mango trees here, you see. Wind's providing us with his mangoes as we come in. You walk down. This is when he is the one that takes care of this amazing garden here. You see all this? This is because of him. He will take you on a tour here and show you all the plants. Tells you how they provide healing powers. So he can show you all this. So whenever he takes you on a tour, just make sure that you show your gratitude by tipping. A little bit here and there goes a long ways with these guys, So this is all the cottages. So you have some 2-story cottages. There's one on bottom, one on top. You have some 1, 2, and 3 bedroom cottages. Look at this, guys. So beautiful coming down through here. This is one of the best kept secrets in Negril, okay? This little area here. They're not on your mainstream, Expedia, Travelocity. They're not on those sites. You can either go to their website or you can book by emailing Calvin. I'll provide you with the email below the video. So as you walk down through here, you see all the cottages, the nice sitting areas, the porches. You have plenty of areas to wash your feet before you go into your room, so you're not tracking sand in. There's areas like that all over the place. Hear the birds and the singing, and I can hear the waves crashing on the beach. Here's some of the most important parts. So here's your bar area. So whenever you guys email, they have food options that can be included in your room. So you can have a breakfast option, or you have an all-day dining option. So here's the bar. Have a nice little sitting area that is covered, so if it comes with a little shower, you can just run in here. And look at that beach. So I'm going to show you some menus at the bar. So here's a drink and cocktail menu. Show you both sides. They have a large drink menu here. So something for everyone, okay? And then you also have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if you guys don't stay here, you should definitely just come by and eat here. Best jerk sauce I found on the beach. So like I was telling you in some of your videos, on rainy days, you have puzzles, you have Jenga, there's dominoes, tic-tac-toe. There's all kind of things to keep you busy while you're having a little afternoon shower. And then when you walk out onto the beach, this is your view. So there's plenty of shade. There's sand toys here for the kids. There's some floats that people leave that are yours to play with while you're here. This is the best part. So look at this beach. You're not roped off. You can swim without restriction. Of course, you know, you have to be careful with the boat. You look up and down the beach to the right here, it's Flag City. That is a must-have while you're here. So if you're eating on the beach, just come to Flag City. It's a whole vibe, okay? Up and down the beach, it's just quiet. This is laid back. It's not a party area. It's just an area for people to lay back, relax, and enjoy their vacation. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos of our adventures here in Negril, as well as some in Mexico this coming June. If there's something that you guys think we should try while we're here, please just comment below and we'll give it a try and post our video. Thanks. Bye.